Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday product launch and I am so excited about this product launch. Guys, I didn't know glitter was gonna take over my store when we started launching fine glitter. But when I realized how much we all love glitter and how much we really like it, even though it's really messy, I needed to come up with an entire series for you guys. So this month we are launching our 40 color fine glitter series. We have 22 new colors and I believe 2 or 3 old colors that have been revamped. So right now I'm about to walk you through all 40 of our fine colored glitters, and our glitter has also been revamped to 2 or 3 different revolution. We don't want a revolution. We don't want that. We want I don't know the word I'm thinking of right now, but they've been revolved. They've been betterized. Wow, the words. Okay, anyways, if you guys can think of the comment down below if you think of the word that I'm trying to come up with. Anyways, our glitters are now 4 ounces by volume, no longer weight, which means that every single bottle you get is going to be jam-packed full of fine glitter. They are also in larger bottles, width-wise and height-wise. Hallelujah! So you're getting more glitter no matter what, and then they're also full to the brim because we're not doing it by weight anymore. They're also vacuum sealed on the inside, so no more mishaps of glitter bombs accidentally coming in the mail. Sorry to the 2 people who had massive glitter bombs. I'm sorry, but we don't ever want that to happen again. So we are actually vacuum sealing, I don't even know the words for it, but we're doing it. And our lids now have 2 sides, one for a complete pour side, so you can get it onto like a spoon or dump it a lot faster into your epoxy, and then the sprinkle setting on the side. So 2 different types of openings on the lids, bigger bottles, full to the brim, and vacuum packed sealed, and 40 different colors. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the 40 colors? These were hand picked by moi, yours truly, and they are amazeballs. That's a word that means super amazing if you don't know what amazeballs means. But I'm really excited about them. We named them. So they're the color series 1 through 40. They all have a number. And if you are looking for that color on my website, just look at the number in the series, as well as the name, as well as the color, because they look awesome. All right, let's get going. For project inspiration, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Tay's Gizmos, as well as AuntieTay, and look in the description box because you'll find all the links to those things, because we have some really awesome crafters that make really awesome things with our products, and we're always sharing those projects with you guys. So let's get going. That was a really long intro. I hope you guys are still here. Let's get going on the glitter promo stuff.